This is our seed starting bundle. It's perfect to get your seeds started off right, and it includes our plant juice, which is a liquid fertilizer that's made with all natural ingredients. It's great to soak your seeds before planting to promote the germination and fertilization process. The juice will help create a strong, healthy root system for your plants to withstand transplant shock, and it will continue to feed your plants long after you've transplanted them. Plant juice also comes with beneficial microbes that will supply your seeds, seedlings, and sprouts with micro and macronutrients. These microbes will help break down organic matter and make nutrients available to your plants. We also include our all-natural seedling mix, which is a blend of vermiculite and perlite that's specifically formulated to promote the germination and fertilization process. It's also super lightweight and fluffy, so the roots have room to breathe and grow freely. All of our products are made with all natural ingredients. We never use any harsh chemicals or synthetic fertilizers. Lastly, use kelp mist foliar spray to help your plants use nutrients more efficiently and effectively.